Hello everyone. Today we are going to talk about passing data by value, part of programming in C++ course. Passing data by value is a method of passing data to a function as an argument. When data is passed by value, a copy of the value is made and passed to the function. The function operates on the copy, not on the original data. Any changes made to the copied data within the function do not affect the original data outside of the function. Here is an example of passing data by value in C++. In this code, the increment function takes an int argument x and increments it by 1. When the function is called with an argument, a copy of a is passed to the function. The function increments the copy, not the original value of a. The output of the code is the value of a is 5, showing that the original value of a has not been changed. Hope this was helpful. Thank you for watching.